ating team standings, andun sila sa bottom half of the team standings with 3 wins and 5 losses. Galing po sila sa talo, so they would like to get back on the winning track. Roger Yap, pinasa kay Ralimi. Ralimi misses the hook. Alamin natin ano ang napag-usapan sa dugout mula kay Dominic Uy.
Hindi natuwa dun sa effort itong si Coach Ryan Gregorio. So, we started out very flat. Tapos nung humabol tayo and then we let off again. In the second half, kailangan simula pa lang ipakita na natin yung effort. We have to outwork them, out-hustle them, and have some sense of urgency. Nico?
Well, salamat, Dominic. That's why Talking Tex was able to keep Pure Foods at bay. Despite a good job by Pure Foods in getting back in the second quarter.
They cut that lead down to 10, and the point that sinasabi ni Coach Ryan Gregorio, when you're down by 10, it's very difficult because if you don't start out strong and you allow the opposing team to put together 2 baskets in a row or 3, he's gonna have to call an early timeout dahil biglang lolobo na yung kalamangan na yan. You want to be able, if you're Pure Foods, to put pressure on Talking Tex, cut that lead quickly down to about 5, and the shoe will be on the other foot. Ang Talking Tex na yung magkakaroon ng pressure.
By the way, kanina tinawagan ng third personal foul si Yancy De Ocampo. Dito naman, si Cardona ang siyang tinawagan ng foul is third personal.
First good news that Coach Ryan has heard all day. Mac Cardona picking up his third. Started out with RD Larong trying to guard Mac Cardona. Now that James Yap is there, tapos may kasamang malalaki. Mac Cardona forced to guard James Yap. And hopefully, of course, Coach Ryan, hoping that in the matchup of superstars, makakuha siya ng kalamangan doon.
James Yap, 0 out of 8 from the field tonight. Lahat ng puntos niya sa Makatwid galing po sa free throw line. 8 points na lang ang kailangan ng bulan ng Pure Foods dito. Magee misses from the baseline.
Now here's what I'm saying. If Pure Foods can get another basket here, you would think itong Talking Tex will be hard-pressed to convert on the other end already dahil bababa na yung kalamangan sa sahis.
Here's Raimundo. Raimundo. James Yap with 7 to shoot. Ralimi. Drop pass. Villanueva with 4 on the shot clock. And Villanueva will take 2. So very aggressive moves here by Pure Foods.
But you can't really say yung itong Pure Foods